Hi folks, my name's Nick and I'm going to be showing you in real time how to get going with the PDF pen. If you happen to be a new customer and have just received your pen in the post, I highly recommend watching this video to make setting up as hassle-free as possible. Before we begin, it's vital that you already have Adobe Reader installed. If you don't or you're not sure, our website www.thepdfpen.co.uk has a direct link to the official Adobe page, where you can download the latest version absolutely free. I should also mention that if you're setting up PDF Pen for the first time, you must have an active internet connection to your PC. But you only need an internet connection to set up and register your digital profile. However, after that you can use the pen to sign documents whether you're on or offline. Okay, let's get started. The first thing is to download the setup file for the software that is going to run the PDF Pen, a program which we call the Agent. To do this, you'll need to go to our webpage, www.thepdfpen.co.uk, and from the More tab, select Software from the drop-down menu. The page that loads provides you with a download option which you must select and save. Now locate the downloaded file, called Agent Setup, run it, and simply follow the instructions on the screen. The next thing to do is attach the pen to the retractable USB wire and connect that to a free socket on your PC. Something that's vital to remember for future reference: whenever you wish to use the pen, always ensure that you've connected it to your PC before opening up the agent, otherwise the software might not register that the pen's connected. But assuming you did remember, you can now go ahead and fire up the agent. Three things you want to be seeing at this point are Ready, Pen ID with a number next to it, and Pen Mode, which should always display Professional. Now before you can go ahead and sign your first PDF, we have to create a digital profile, which is going to store some basic information about you, such as your full name, as well as the data generated by the software from recording the unique action and behaviour that you use to write your signature. By the system asking for this, you'll have an extremely secure verification process, whereby the agent can compare the data stored on your digital profile with the data generated by the person trying to sign a PDF, which effectively ensures no other person can fool the system by pretending to be you. For more detail on how this level of precision can be achieved, we have a page on our website, www.thepdfpen.co.uk, that describes the application of biometric technology in this product. So we've discussed why it's necessary to have a digital profile. Now let's create one. First thing, you'll need to provide a name for your profile, which can pretty much be anything you like. Best just to keep it simple. I'm using my name followed by a random number. Click Register, and when the page loads, select Check ID. The agent will now do an online search against all registered pen users to make sure your profile doesn't clash. This is why you need to be connected to the internet for this step, which I stress again is only required when you first set up the PDF Pen. If the system is unhappy, it will show a message like this. I just typed a user ID that I've created in the past to demonstrate this point, but if the system is happy, then it will take you to the bottom of the page where you can fill out your details. All fields are optional, however I recommend you enter your first and last names at the minimum. Now hit Save and Continue. The next bit is crucial. The agent will ask you to sign now, indicating it is ready to record your signature behaviour. Take the pen in your writing hand, and just like you would normally, write your signature, but on any flat surface around you. You need to be ready, otherwise you'll get a timeout, which is okay. Just press start to initiate your recording again. After signing a first time, you'll then need to press start to record your signature twice more. This is so that the agent can take an average reading and allow a tolerance for minor behavioural differences between your future signatures and the signature data stored in your digital profile. When finished, just click Done. So now we want to select Login to Account. If you watched the first video in this series, then you should use the image that we prepared earlier for this next step. For now, using the pen, write your signature to log into your account. Once in, you can more or less ignore everything that's on the page except Upload Signature Image. So we'll go ahead, select the image that I showed you how to prepare in video 1, and when you're ready, go ahead and click Save Changes. We get a neat message letting us know that everything went okay, and close that page down.